I don't care if you just made five, six, seven figures in a single day. You got to be humble. You can't lose yourself in this game. It's easy to run up a bag in trading. It really is. But it's hard to stay consistent. It's hard to build that consistent discipline to not make crashed out decisions that'll just destroy your account within a couple of trades. It's not the easiest in order to build an A plus edge that's consistent. You could put down a random trade and make some bread, but can you consistently come back to the market and keep doing that? Is going to be the question. So here's going to be some tips to keep your ego in check and maintain a good mental perspective in trading. Let's do it. So let's go and let's talk about humility. Humility is going to be important in trading. You cannot downlook anything. You have to be humble. You have to be thankful with every single dollar that you make or lose. Okay. Understand that's all part of the plan. That's all part of the process. And that it was meant to go that way. Okay. Staying humble is going to lead to better trading outcomes. When you're not cocky, when you're not trading in a mindset of, oh, I'm the best trader in the entire world. If you were to take a loss, that loss is not going to break you down horrifically because your mind is going to be engineered to take that. Okay. So you have to understand that it's going to prevent overconfidence and risky decisions. Then it's going to help you maintain discipline during volatile markets. Okay. So market is fluctuating. You can completely understand that, okay, market's kind of choppy right now. If I lose, I'm not even going to be too upset. Let me put on some light size. Let me make sure I'm just trading between 1 to 10% of my account. Let me make sure I'm not over trading. Let me make sure I'm not over leveraging. And let me just stick to my setup criteria. Okay. And just pretty much be happy with it, whatever result you get from the market, whether it's going to be a W or an L. Okay. If you stick to your process though, then everything's going to be a W. Even if you lost money, made $0, or you could have made $5,000. Okay. If you stuck to your process, even if you made $0 or lost money or made $5,000, you made money. Okay. Your discipline, sticking to your A plus setup, that's going to determine if the trade was a W or L. Even if you lost the trade, even if you didn't make any money, okay, that doesn't determine whether or not you won or lost. Did you stick to your A plus setup? Did you stick to your risk reward? Did you stick to your rules? Okay, even if the setup didn't work out, it's a win. Okay, just keep doing that. Inshallah, watch how your P&L will grow. So, understanding the influence of luck. Okay, so recognizing the unpredictable nature of trading helps maintain humility and perspective. So understand that if you make 10 bands off of a play and you didn't mark out the A plus setup, you were just in, and then say some catastrophic news just happened the next day, you aren't a great trader because you made money in that instance. Now, it depends. Will you withdraw? Will you come back? Are you able to still turn that money if you were to withdraw a majority of it and then turn a small amount into a big amount? Because if you can't do that, then you're not a good trader. So understand that luck sometimes can happen in trading. Sometimes you can just make a burst of money. There's been times I've just made a big burst of money, just swing trading certain things, and some good news came out, and then market starts becoming unpredictable and more volatile than I thought. Okay, so luck sometimes can influence your trading outcome significantly. If you win a lucky trade, please do not think you're the best trader on earth. Please also make sure you withdraw your money. It is not real money until it is in your bank account. Okay. You have to go put that money in your bank. If it's P&L, it's not real yet. Okay. It has to be in your bank account first. Then it's real. Okay. If you win a lucky trade, please withdraw. Start from a smaller amount and then see if you can grow that. If you can't, you're not a good enough trader yet. And just thank God that you were able to make that bread in the first place. Please don't lose it. Okay. Acknowledge external factors contributing to success, such as sometimes there's going to be news. Okay. Sometimes news is going to come out and really just burst your trade within a big significant direction. If you made some big bread off of that, that doesn't mean you're the best trader of all time. That just means you were in a lucky place. Withdraw that bread. And if you can't grow a small account to a big account, you're not as good of a trader as you think. Okay. Reflect on your past losses for grounding. This is what I'm saying. Withdraw any past losses or any lucky trades that you guys might have won in the past that would make it a bit stuck on P&L only. This is your time to close the trade and withdraw. Okay. And stay humble regardless of the winning streaks, regardless of how much you made. Don't go flex or pop it on anybody. Don't even tell anybody, honestly. Stay humble. keep growing your P&L. If you guys have a community, tell your community. And just if you tell anybody, just use it in a teaching sense. Don't brag, don't flex, don't boast, just stay calm and chill out. Okay. So stick to your trading plan. So you have to stick to the trading plan. Here's some essential strategies to maintain focus and discipline in trading. Number one, make sure you guys are just praying. Okay. Make sure you guys are praying to God. Okay. It's really going to help balance your emotions if you're feeling down bad, if you're feeling like this isn't for you, if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling angry. Okay. Praying to God is really going to help lower your emotions and give you just the grounded sense of, okay, I got this. Okay. Make sure you guys are following your predefined A plus setups. Okay. Not your emotions. Don't just trade off of FOMO candles. Don't be doing anything on the block because you might trade off a FOMO candle, make a lot of bread, and then be trying to do it again, and then you literally just lose everything on a pullback. Okay. Please don't do that. Avoid increasing your risk due to a recent win streak. When you guys are on your win streak, that doesn't mean up your whole risk reward or up your, I mean, not your risk reward. That doesn't mean up your risk. Okay. Keep playing with the same risk until your account grows gradually over time. Your account should be growing like this. Some of you guys' P&L are swinging like this, and that's a problem. Up, one day you're up, one day you're down, one day you're up, one day you're down. You know, swinging up, 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 up and down instead of a gradual progression over the months and years. Okay. So review your plan regularly to stay focused, by the way. Make sure you guys know what type of setups that you like to trade. Make sure you guys are journaling as well too. Okay. Just so you know that the setups are working. Okay. Set specific goals for each trade. Make sure you guys know your entry and exit. Okay. Your entry and your exit. Okay. Are going to be two imperative things to just making sure we know what we're doing. Okay. Use the checklist to guide your trades. Does it do this? Did it cross the trend line? Did I get it closed above this? Is it breaking retesting? Okay. And try and limit distractions during trading hours. Just have a quiet environment if possible, inshallah. If not, set your alerts on your setup and make sure you guys have alerts set at your entry and exit once again. Okay. Alerts are really going to go ahead and be a big thing because I know we all have lives and can't just sit and stare at the charts all day. Okay. So keep on learning and improving. Okay. Just because you're having a heavy win streak, that doesn't mean stop studying the market. That doesn't mean stop being a student of the game. That doesn't mean stop grinding. Okay. Continuous education is going to be vital for trading success and personal growth. You have to continuously be studying StackMODE.net if you need some trading education. I have a free course, free ebook. You guys can also book a free call with me as well too. Okay. Make sure you guys are staying updated on the market trends and shifts. Make sure you guys are looking at SPX as well, just to go ahead and get a good direction of the market. Explore new trading strategies and techniques if your current strategy isn't working. If you notice you're consistently losing, you're not consistent, go ahead and try some new things and study. Attend workshops, mentorships, or webinars for some insights and stuff like that if needed. Network with experienced traders, such as myself, inshallah, for mentorship. It'll really save you a lot of money from stupid mistakes. Review your performance regularly. I recommend you guys post on YouTube or just keep a Discord of all of your trades or just keep a trading journal. Okay. Read books and articles on trading psychology. Make sure you guys are always studying the competition. Study how other traders are thinking too. And just make sure you guys are putting it all into your own mental framework. You guys can join communities such as the StackMODE community for sharing knowledge. Yep. All right. So, humility. Okay. Please do not boast. Do not boast. Do not boast. Do not boast. I don't care if you guys have made 50,000 on a trade. Don't flex. Don't get overly excited. Don't lose yourself. Okay. Stay humble. Okay. Focus on sharing that knowledge instead. I recommend you guys start mentoring, start teaching your friends, because teaching is actually a really good way to continue your learning experience and make you better. And humility is really going to strengthen your professional networks. People are going to like when you're humble, and people are going to take heed of that. And it's really going to be really good on your emotional balance as well too. Because when you lose a trade, you're going to understand it's part of the game, and you're not going to get sad. Okay. Encourage collaboration and support. Um, Once again, you can help out people around you if they're super serious. Build some trust with other traders, and yeah, you guys can really go far. Start getting on podcasts and stuff like that if you guys want to build your own community and take it to the next level as well. I recommend you guys just be humble and practice humility. Okay, reflect on your past mistakes. We're not humans uh, for no reason. Okay, we're humans to be flawed. Okay, and to fix our mistakes. We're not humans to be perfect. Okay, review each loss to gain insight and understand that past losses are crucial for future success. Okay, whether it be trading or not, those past losses make us who we are today. And we're gonna go ahead and make sure we're reviewing each loss to gain insights. Let's understand why we lost that trade. Okay, and remember, a loss to me is, did I stick to my criteria? Was it an A+ setup, or did I just take anything on the block? Oh, okay. Did I wait for a close above my entry? Did I close at my take profit? Oh, okay. Did I buy at least a few weeks out from my options? Did I stick to my stop loss over my futures and forex? Cool. If everything worked out, whether I quote unquote lost or won, whether I made profit or not, that's a win to me. Okay. Identify patterns that led to mistakes. If you notice yourself crashing out or over trading, see why you're doing it. Ask yourself, do I really care about my account? Do I really care about my future? Some of you guys aren't progressing because you can't stop making those simple mistake of accepting a loss. Just accept it. It happened. Let's move on. Let's go on to the next. Let's keep grinding and pushing forward, inshallah. Okay. Let's document the lessons learned in a trading journal. Once again, really, really going to help you guys. Go ahead and put that into perspective of what you've been doing, and you can go back and see your progress over time. Okay. Analyze your emotional responses during trading. Okay. Use setbacks to fuel disciplined trading. So use setbacks to push you even harder. We're not in life to just consistently win. Sometimes we got to take an L in order to push us forward. Okay, life is like sometimes a slingshot. Where you go down, just go ahead and go up, just like the charts. Okay. Reassess your trading strategy regularly and make sure you guys are having a proper strategy from if market is bullish or in a downtrend. Okay, you cannot play the same way in both environments. It's not how it works. Okay. Stay accountable by discussing mistakes with your peers or your community. Once again, you guys can post or do whatever you guys think needs helps you, and focus on continuous improvement and adaptation as well too. Keep studying, keep being a student of the game. Don't ever stop learning. So, practicing gratitude is going to be important. Okay, cultivating gratitude can enhance your trading mistakes, mindset, and keep your ego grounded. So, thank your mentors for guidance. Thank God for guidance. Ask God for wisdom. Okay. So make sure you guys understand that there's so much free education online. You can build a solid mindset and just be grateful for every dollar that you make or lose within the market because it's going to teach you something, inshallah. So acknowledge data sources that aid decision making. Appreciate the tools that you utilize daily. Appreciate trading views, stuff like that, alerts. Appreciate that you're just on the charts able to make money. Because when you have that mindset of trading, like, well, I can literally just come on the charts and make some life-changing money by reading the charts and clicking buttons. Okay. You guys can pretty much change your life easily and recognize the opportunities that trading provides. Okay. And express your gratitude for the learning journey. Every loss or W, use it to prepare you for it. And stay disciplined in risk management, please. Don't lose yourself. Key strategies to maintain risk effectively during trading sessions are make sure you guys are setting clear stop losses. This is going to be primarily for my FNF traders, Forex and futures. Make sure you guys are having a stop loss set so you don't get liquidated and other broker money. Please stick to your risk management rules. Okay. Avoid emotional decision making under pressure. Don't crash out. Don't get sad. Just don't make unbelievable, horrible decisions. Keep going, keep pushing, and don't get sad. Regularly review your risk exposure. Okay, understand that if you're feeling too much pressure, too much anxiety in a trade, maybe you need to lower your risk and size down. Understand the market conditions before you're trading. Is market bullish? Is market bearish? Am I waiting for break and retest? Understand why you're getting in, why you're getting out. Okay. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Okay. You guys can trade between like 1 to 3 setups at a time if you guys are on stocks or crypto. Okay. You can limit the size to individual trades. Okay. Don't be just taking heavy size every single trades. Don't do that. Make sure you're having position sizing and managing your risk. This way, if you lose, you're not going to cry because you lost your account. Okay. Keep your trading journal. and seek mentorship at StackMode.net if you need some more assistance. All right. These are going to be the tips I recommend in order for us to stay disciplined. All right. Stay humble. Don't lose yourself during the win streaks. Please make sure that we are withdrawing, guys. Okay. We have to withdraw. The money is not real until we withdraw. You got to withdraw. Okay. Don't lose yourself. Stay printable, and keep grinding. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.